Hello everyone! Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video will showcase a variety of popular short hair ideas that you can rock in 2023, ranging from the pixie to the bob, and of course we have the buzz cut. So short hair in general has been trending for quite some time now, and it's no surprise that it will continue to be a huge hit in the coming years. So if you're thinking of chopping off those locks and embracing a fresh new look, then keep on watching. First up, we have one of my personal favorite hair trends, and that is, of course, the pixie cuts. This timeless hairstyle has been a favorite among women for its chic and edgy vibe. It's perfect for those who want to make a statement and show off their facial features. Whether you go for a spiky or sleek look, the pixie cut is all about confidence and style. Next up, we have the bob haircuts. This classic hairstyle really never goes out of style, and it is constantly reinvented with many new variations as each season comes around. In 2023, we'll be seeing more asymmetrical bobs as well as textured cuts, a bit of layers with the curtain bangs. And what's great about the bob is that it really does offer a lot of versatility when it comes to styling, and it can be customized to suit your face shape and your own personal style. Now, if you want to go even shorter this season, the buzz cut is definitely a bold move. This daring hairstyle exudes confidence and showcases your features in a unique and trendy way. In 2023, we'll be seeing more creative buzz cuts with shade designs and patterns. So if you're feeling adventurous and edgy, why not give this hot hair trend a try? For those who prefer a softer look, the lob is the perfect option. The lob or long bob is a shoulder length hairstyle that combines the ease of a shorter cut with the versatility of longer hair. It is a great choice for those who want a low maintenance style that still looks chic and trendy. Last up on our list is all about the curly haircuts. In 2023, we'll be seeing a lot more women embracing their natural curls and opting for shorter styles. I've featured many different curly haircuts on this channel, and we're seeing a nice arrangement of bobs and pixie cuts, tapered styles. And what's great about curly hair is that it can truly shine with the right haircuts. It really doesn't matter what your texture is, as long as you have a stylist that knows how to work with curly strands and they can create a cut that works best for your texture. It's all about having fun and experimenting and trying something new. You can also talk to your stylist about just adding something new to your curly hair in general, such as bangs or even a hot new hair color. All right, you guys, so that is all for today's video. I hope that you were able to find some major inspiration for your next haircut idea. Remember, the key is to choose a style that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Thank you so much for checking out today's video. Please be sure to give it a like if it did inspire you, and I will see you in the next one.